everybody, and welcome back to another one of our videos. We're down at the allotment again. I've just come down here to check what's going on. I haven't been down here since last Friday. Monday I had a funeral and that to go to. Tuesday I had another one to go to, and I've never got a chance to come down, and then I caught a cold as well, so that's not helping, because I wanted to get that top bed dug up, but I can't do it, nothing. So just come down to give everything a quick check, see what's going on, and you can see everything's just getting eaten left, right and centre. I don't know what's these snails again, but I've got my Romaniscos coming on now, so let my cameraman come in on them, because my Romaniscos, I've got them, and then other ones are starting to come through now. Right, we'll go in this polytunnel now. I can see that my turmeric is starting to yellow up, but everything in there's alright. Got to just give these carrots a little bit of water. I thought these would have dried up by now, but they're doing alright. So I've just got to give these a bit of water. So if you like our videos, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. We will get back to you on them. It's a little bit of water for them there. But everything in there, I see my, I think these are starting to wither up now because they never got no water. Next time I come down when I'm 100%, I'll empty these two out and see what's in them, the ginger and the turmeric. But like I said, there's not a lot you can do this time of the year. It's just that top bed what I wanted to get started, but I can't start it yet. I'm just getting a bit of water. So if you're liking our videos, like I said, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section. We will get back to you on them. I see one of my temperature things, I don't know if it's got too cold. I have to take that home and check the batteries in it. Just give that to my cameraman. Alright, so what I'll do now with these, I just give these a little bit of water, not a lot. So I'm trying to overwinter these. I know people saying I must be dedicated to coming out in this weather, but once you've got your allotment, you have to just make the sacrifices what you have to make. I've got to just let me go outside and then I'll get some water from out there for these strawberries and that. Right everyone, so I've watered everything what I wanted to water in the polytunnel. I can see I've got to, once they put the water back on, I've got to just go over this again with some soapy water and just get the dirt off of it. Coming round here to my my garlics. I see they're coming on nicely now. My elephant garlics down this end, my giant whites, and then the small purple rights down the other far end. So they're doing okay so far. I've got my rosemary starting to spring back. I think it's because it's in the wrong place, this box, and I think this is, if I'm not wrong, I think this is tarragon or one of them. Not sure which one is which, but the rest have dried up. But I know I've planted a mixture of different herbs in there, but they've all done their time. So everything's more or less just ready. I just started looking at different things now. Start looking for my potatoes. I want to see if I can get some the blight-free ones or the blight-resistant potatoes, because you know you always have that sort of problems. And you just got to do what you can do at the time. You're not going to get everything done at once, but my main thing is just to get that top bed dug up, and then I need some manure for this bed, and for that top bed up there I've got to get that all emptied out, and then I'll just start tidying up and everything. But like how I'm feeling right now, I can just feel all hot and bothered, if that's the word for it. The cold is just doing me in at the moment, but you just got to cope with things. So that's all I can show you for now. So if you're liking our videos, like I said, just like, share and subscribe. Come along with us on the journey. I've got too many spinaches in here. Got to take some out. But we're getting there. All it is now is just tidying up and getting things ready for next year, getting everything. I've got all this. Somehow I've got to see how to straighten back this out. Don't know how yet, but somehow I'll do it. And I've taken the cover off my onions. And every time they're starting to come through, so I've just taken the cover off. But you just have to hope nothing else don't come and start digging up and pulling them out. So I hope you all enjoyed that one. I know it's nothing much, but please remember to like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell another friend. And I'll see you all on the next one. You take care until then.